Our ancestors were great sea navigators, and the design of these canoes is centuries old. Ideally, the outrigger should be clear of the water so the boat moves faster. On the other hand, there's always the danger of being tipped right over. But this is a calm day. To bring a bit of spice to the competition, the spirits can sometimes add a touch of wind and rough seas.